morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Yes, good morning. How are you all? Fine?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Children, we were learning multiplication, and the last class we have discussed the problem with we are multiplying a number with a one-digit number. Okay, so today we will discuss multiplying with two-digit and three-digit. I think last year we have studied till multiplication with the two digits. So you remember? Yes? Multiplication with the two digits we have studied. Now this year we have three-digit multiplication also. We are multiplying a number with three-digit multi. So before learning this, I will ask you 5 minutes multiplication tables, and only those children I'm calling only has to say the answer, and all of you has to mute your audio. There were 7 into 7. Please unmute and speak. No response. Avantika? Avantika, 7 into 4. 7 into
28.
28. Yes. Sarah, 9 into 4.
9 into 4. 32. Ma'am.
I was asking Sarah. 9 into 4.
36, ma'am.
36. 9 into 4 is 36. 8 into 4 is only 32. Okay. So, Adidev, 9 into 5.
45.
Okay, very good. I am asking by name. Only those children are supposed to answer. Nasnia, 9 into
Ma'am,
9.
Siddhi is saying the answer.
Who?
Siddhi.
Siddhi, please mute. Okay, Nasnia, 9 into 6.
Ma'am, I did not hear. 9 in the
9 into 6. Who can tell me? Raise your hand and say the answer. 9 into 6.
Kirtana.
Kirtana, yes.
54.
54. Very good. Okay. Arpita, 7 into 5.
35.
35. Yes, Kirtana is doing faster in every classes. Okay, so children, I told you revise these tables daily. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. Now, 4 into 3. Izan, 4 into 3. 4 into 3.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
What? 4 times 3.
And Sarah.
12. Okay, 12. Mayuk, 9 into 8.
9 into 8. 72.
72. Very good. Nainiga, 4 into 4.
4.
4 into 4.
16.
16. Very good. Hridvi, 6 into 5. 6 into 5. 6 into 5.
Yes, ma'am.
6 5s are
Ma'am.
6 into 5.
6 into 5. Ma'am. 40. Ma'am.
Okay, Navneet. It's 30. 6 into 5 is 30. Okay, Navneet, 6 into 6.
36. Ma'am, 36.
36. Siddhi, 8 into 8.
8 into 8. 8 into 8
8
is
into
equal to 64.
Who was saying that answer?
Ma'am, Mayug.
I will change your names. Okay. Aryan, you joined now. So can you say 9 into 7? 9 into 7. Aryan, yes. 9 into 7.
Sarah.
Ma'am, 62.
63. Okay. For I told you know for table of 9, when you add 6 plus 2, it is only 8. But we need always 9. 6 plus 3 will be it will be. So you know there is a tip. Okay. Children, I'm asking if you are saying in between, the children will not be able to hear the question properly. Okay, Srihari, 9 into 9.
81.
81. Very good. Sarah, 6
Yes,
into 7.
ma'am.
6 into 7.
42, ma'am.
42. Yes, very good. Okay. So children, some children, they will think that, okay, ma'am is asking question in the beginning only. I can join late. No. That time maybe I will ask in the middle or at the end of the class. So what you have to do, why we are asking daily? Because we are going to now start 2-digit and 3-digit multiplication. So it will be very difficult if you don't know the tables properly. Okay. So children, first I will show you 2-digit multiplication, the question with the 2-digit. We have already studied in our last year. Okay. So can you, Sarah, can you let me see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now please mute. Okay, Dia, can you read the question? Dia, unmute and read.
Find the product of 150 multiplied by 24.
150 multiplied by 24. Here we have how many digits in the second number? 2 digit. Yes?
Yes.
2 digit. So we have to multiply. First we will start with ones place. Okay, ones place. Then we have 2 rows. What is the, Navneet, can you say what we have to do now here? Can you, any idea? Do you remember last year what we learned?
Ma'am, multiply
Yes.
the first number with the
Multiply with
second
the-
number's ones place. With the
We will
second number's
start
ones
multiplication
place.
by 4. Okay. We will start multiplication by 4. So first
4.
what we'll do? 4 into, okay, Mayuk unmute and help me to multiply. 4 into 0,
0.
0. So first we have to start children with 4. 4 into 0, then 4 into 5. What is 4 into 5?
20. 20.
20.
20.
4 into 5 is 20. Then carry over is 2. Okay. 1 into 4.
1.
1 into 4.
4. Ma'am,
4.
4.
4 plus
4.
4 plus 2 is 6. So, okay. So first we have to multiply 150 by the number which is in the ones place. That is 4. So we will write. Now second row, we have to start from multiplying with 2. So that is 2 tens. So I told you we will start with the ones place with the 0. Okay, because in tens how many zeros are there? 1 0. Okay, Janvi, please unmute and we will do that second row multiplication. Second row multiplication. Yes. So first we got 600. Now second row we will start with 0, then multiply with 2. Okay, 2 into 0.
0.
2 into 0 is
0.
0. Okay. Again, 5 twos are
10.
10. So we will write here, then 1 carry over. Okay. Now 2 into 1,
2.
2 plus 1,
3.
3. Okay. So we'll start 2 into 0 is the, first we'll start with the 0. 2 into 0, 0. 5 twos are 10. 1 carry over. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. So, children, what is the question we have? 150 multiplied by 24. So, the answer is what? We have to now add. So, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 0, 6, and the answer is 3,600. Is that clear?
Yes.
So, children, what you have to do? We have learned this last year, but maybe you have forgotten, then we are revising again. So, first what we will do? We will multiply with the ones. So, 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 5, 20, then carry over 2. 4 into 1, 4 plus 2, 6. Then start the second row with 0. First we will place 1, 0. Then start multiplying with 2. 2 into 0, 0. 5 2s are 10 and the carryover. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Now you have to add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 0, 6, 3. Okay, understood, children? So second row, you have to start with 0. And if there are 3 digits in the second number that we have, third row. Third row will start with how many 0? Children? Huh?
1 0. 2
2 0, yes. First we will have multiply with the ones. Second row multiply with the tens number in the tens place. Third row we will start with multiplying with the number in the 100 place. Okay. So 100 place it will start with the 2 0. Tens digit that is starting with the 1 0. Okay. So I'll give you one question. Can you do this, children?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I will give you one question to do with 2 digit. We will revise now. Okay. So here it is 150. Now here I will give you 250 multiplied by 11. I'm giving you small numbers. Children, please check. Try to do alone. Yes, Niranjan, can you help me, Niranjan? We'll start with the ones place. We will start with ones place and start 1 into
0.
1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 5,
5.
5. 1 into 2,
2.
2. So we finished this number. Okay. Then start with second row with
0.
0. Very good. Again 1 into 0.
0.
1 into 0 is 0. And 1 into 5,
5.
5. 1 into 2,
2.
2. Okay, children, this placing the digits according to the place value, that is very important. Otherwise, you will make mistakes. So you have to first start with 0 in the second row, then place the number one below the other and do the addition without mistake. Okay, 0 plus 0 again?
0.
0. 5 plus 0?
5.
5. 5 plus 2?
7.
7. Here don't multiply. Okay, some children here after they will forget and they will do 5 2. 5 into. Here we are adding 5 plus 2 is 7. Here we have 2. So 2, 7, 5, 0. Children, please check whether you got correct answer. What you have to do here? First we will multiply with the ones place. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 2, 2. Then start the second row with 0. Then 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 2, 2. Then we have to add vertical like this. Add the numbers. So we'll get 2,750. Okay, how many got correct answer? Can you raise your hand? Yes? Okay, very good. So we are going to do now with 3 digit. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. Now next one we are going to do with 3 digit. Children, if you don't do this problem with more concentration, no, you will make mistakes because the number of rows and we have to add everything you will get mixed with. So what you have to do? Do the calculations, everything properly. Now next one is 3 digit. Find the product of 361 multiplied by 247. So first what you have to do? You have to write the number properly. 361 multiplied by 247. 361 multiplied by 247. So who can help me now here? Yes, Arpita, please unmute. Yes, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do? Tell me which place we will start multiplication?
Ones place.
Ones place. So first, which number is there in the ones place?
7.
7. So all the children, we will start multiplication from ones place. Okay, so here 7 we have to do. So 7 into 1,
7.
7. 6 into 7,
42.
42. 2 here and 4 here. Okay, 7 into 3,
7 into 3, 21.
21 plus 4, 25. Okay, is that clear, everyone? We will start with number in ones place. The number in ones place is 7. So 7 into 1 is 7. 6 into 7 is 42. 4 is carry over. Then 4 into 3 is, no, 7 into 3 is 21 plus 4 is 25. Okay. Now we will start with the second row with Sri Hari. Please unmute Sri Hari. Now we are going to do multiplication with the tens digit. Can you tell me which number is there in the tens place?
4.
4. Okay. So can we multiply with 4?
Yes.
Yeah. So first what will I do? Say how we will do the second row. Children, don't do anything now. We will just practice one question. Then I will give you another question to do alone. Okay, Sri Hari. How we will start the second row with how many 0?
1.
1 0. Very good. Because we are multiplied 4 in the tens place. Okay. Now tell me 4 into 1.
4.
4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 6.
4 into 6.
6 into 4. It's 24. Sri Hari,
24.
study the tables properly. 6 into 4 is 24. Then the carryover. Okay. 4 into 3.
4 into 3 is 12.
12 plus 2 is 14. Now children, please check how you are writing the numbers one below the other. Write properly. Okay. Otherwise you will make mistakes. Now we are going to do with third row with 100. See, Krishnananda, please unmute and speak. Krishnananda. Now the third row we will start with multiplying with which number here?
2.
2. Okay, 2 is in 100 place. So third row start with how many 0? 100
0.
place means we have to start with 2 zeros. First we will start with 2 zeros. Then we have to multiply now. 2 into 1.
2.
2. 2 into 1 is 2. Now 2 into 6.
18.
6 2s are 12.
12.
2 here, 1 carryover. 6 2s are 12, 1 carryover. Okay. 2 into 3.
6.
6 plus 1, 7. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply.
Add.
Okay, no, we have to add. We have multiplied 361 with 247. So first row, that is we multiplied with 7. Second row, we multiplied with what? 4, and that is in the tens place. Third row, it is in the 100 place. So here we started with 20. Here we started with 10. Okay. Now, children, we are going to do addition. We have to do plus. Now 7 plus 0, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. Siddhi, please unmute and tell me, help me to add the numbers. Okay. 7 plus 0,
7 plus 0 is 7.
7. 4 plus 2,
4 plus 2 6.
6. Now 5 plus 4, 9.
9.
9 plus 2,
6.
9 plus 2.
9
5
plus
plus 4,
2.
5 plus 4, 9
Sorry.
plus 2.
5 plus 4 9. 9
Huh?
plus 2.
11. 9
11.
plus 2.
11.
11. Okay.
11.
Carry over. 1 plus 2,
1 plus 2 3.
3 plus 4,
7.
7 plus 2,
9.
9. Okay. Now 7 plus 1,
8.
8. So if I put the comma here, how to read the number? How to read the answer? It is
89,167.
All the children, please write this question again in your rough book and check whether you are able to do this question. Okay, 361 multiplied by 247. All of you, first write the question. 361 multiplied by 247. Only write the question and try to do this alone. Then we will
Ma'am,
check again.
I already finished writing.
Finish writing. Okay. Write only the question. Answer you have to do alone. Check again the question. What is the question? 361 multiplied by
247.
247. Children, here 3 digits. So don't make confusion with the tens place, 100 place and all. So second row, you have to start with 10. Third row, you have to start with 20.
20.
Okay.
6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Risa finished? Please unmute and speak, Risa. Have you completed? Yes?
ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yeah, ma'am. When I do first question, I had a doubt.
Now it's okay.
No, Hannah, also I have a doubt in first question.
It's not clear because I told you, this sound I can hear out from outside. So it's not clear. Not clear when you speak. Okay. So children, if you have finished, you can take page number 41 from our
Book or text.
page number 41 from the workbook. All of you. This same question.
41.
Page number 41. Tell me which question you have to do. Risa, please.
Page 15. 15.
I will ask one.
Ma'am, 15.
Okay, I will ask one by one. So question number 15. This is the question we have done just now. Yes? Yes, Siddhi, read the question. Unmute and read. Read the
Okay,
question.
Find the product of 361 and 247.
247. Okay. So children, you can do that now. This is the question. 361 multiplied by 247. Now you are going to do this question in your workbook, page number 41. All of you. Question number 15. Question 15 from page 41. All of you complete this question in your workbook. Now, if anyone finish question number 16, you will try to do now alone in the workbook. Okay. Question number 16. Those who finished, those children who finished question number 15, they can start question number 16 also from your workbook. 200 multiply 222 by 222 again. Question number 16 also from your workbook. This is very easy. 2 into 2, 4. All the numbers are 4. But second row start with 1 0. Third row start with 2 0.
2 zeros.
Okay. So Aditi, finish question number 15. Aditi, please unmute.
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Question number 15.
Yes, ma'am, it will finish now.
Finished. Huh?
Yes.
Okay. We will do question number 16 together. Tell me 2 into 2. We'll start with 1 minute. Okay. Yes, Aditi, are you there?
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, Manav, please unmute and help me to do question number 16.
Okay, ma'am.
2 into 2.
4.
4. Here, children, all can you see this color, blue color, clearly?
Little.
Little. So I will change.
Ma'am.
Okay. 2 into 2, 4. So children, here there is no doubt because all the questions are here. It's 4. Okay, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I finish.
All the questions are 4.
Yeah.
All the questions are 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Here also 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. So second row, how we will start, Manav? Second row, Manav.
I'm 1 0. 1
Huh?
0.
Look at the board and tell me.
1 0.
Afterwards you can write it in your book. Second row, how we will start?
1 0.
1 0. Okay, 0. Again, all the digits are 4. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. Again, 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Very easy. Just you can copy this 4, 4. But you have to place the numbers according to the place values. Okay. Yes, Manav. Now, third row, start with how many 0?
2 0.
2 zeros. 2 0. Then you have to start here. 2 into 2, 4. Again, 2 into 2, 4. Again, 2 into 2, 4. Now, add and find the answer. All of you, please.
Sarah has a doubt.
I know
Huh?
the answer.
Sarah has a doubt.
Okay, we will say later. Manjiva. Can you please help me to add the numbers? Manjima.
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
4 plus 0?
0.
4 plus. It's not multiply. 4
4.
plus 0.
4.
4.
4. Yes.
4.
4 plus 4?
8.
8.
8. Now again here. 4 plus 4? 8. 8 plus 4?
12.
12. And 1 carry over. 4 plus 4? 8 plus 1? 9.
9.
9.
And here it's 4 only. So the answer is 4,
4,
9,
9.
2, 8, 4. 4, 9,
4.
2, 8, 4. Children, please check
One
whether you got the
comma.
answer. 4,
1 comma.
9, 2, 8, 4. Yes, children? Did you get the answer? Any doubt?
Yes.
Yes?
Sarah has doubt.
So what's the answer? I will show again. Those who haven't finished, please check. Here, there is very easy this question because all the numbers are 2 into 2, 2 into 2. That is 4. So first one, you have 444. Second row, we will start with 1, 0. Third row, you have to start with the 2, 0. If you don't write this 0, your answer will be wrong. Then when you add, you will get the answer as 49,284. Okay, children. So, children, if you don't place 0, your answers will be wrong. So, these two questions, question number 15 and 16, children, you have to write 2 times in your rough book and study. Question number 15 and 16. Yes, Risa? Unmute and speak. I cannot hear.
Ma'am, I was correct, ma'am.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I was correct.
Makale, I cannot hear anything if everyone say together. All of you please mute and Risa, yes, ask louder.
Ma'am, you made to do first question in rough book, right?
Ah,
In that, when I multiply 2 into 1, I got 2. Plus 2 is 4, right? And there was a carryover 1.
I will show that question again. Okay, 1 minute. Let me see whether I can show you that one. This one. Okay. So Risa, check again. I am explain. Question number 150 into 24. Is this question? Risa,
Yes, ma'am.
is this question 150 into 24?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now check again. I will explain again. 4 into 0, 0. 4 into 5, it's 20. And 2 is the carry over. 2 into 1, no, 4 into 1, 4 plus 2, 6. So we will get 600 in the first row. Second row, you have to start with 1, 0. Then 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 5, that is 10. 2 into 5, that is 10, but you have to write here 10. And 1 is the carryover. And 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So when you add 0 plus 0, you will get 0. Here also 0. 6 plus 0 is 6 and here 3 only. Okay, children, now it's the time to wind up the session. Please write and study this question number 15 and 16 in your rough book 2 times. Okay, bye. And study all the multiplication.
Bye,
Bye bye.
ma'am.